Hey traders, this is Jeff. I'm doing a midday update. I don't often do these. I like to wait till the end of the day, but I'm going to be out pretty much from after the market closes to late tonight. I'm going down with a bunch of friends. We're going to go see a Rock of Ages, the Broadway show that highlights the 80s music. So it should be interesting. But the markets are bouncing a little bit. It's been one of those things where the market's opened out of the gate, sold off, it's doing this dance type thing. But what I think is going to happen is I think around the 2968, 2970 level, or when the RSI gets to the 60 level, I think that's going to be a good opportunity to maybe start entering some short positions. My timing signal is negative. However, that doesn't mean to go ahead and start shorting. I'm really trying to do to give the people who have subscribed to my free newsletter a really specific entry, and I'll be sending an alert out to those when I think the time comes. Maybe we rally back up to 3,000. Oftentimes, it's one of those things where it's a in the moment type call. But these are the areas to be watching for in the Nasdaq. On the Dow, I think between 13,000 and 13,050. I think this is going to be resistance. Anytime we get into here, that could be a potential area to start shorting as well. But I'm overall bearish on the general markets in the U.S. and I do have some shares short, but that was per a different strategy that I'm working. And the reason why I said that is because on the TSX, it's a little bit different. I'm still long the shares that I picked up right here around 12,200. It's been a pretty brutal fall off a cliff here. I didn't expect that to happen. However, what's really strange about this move down is that I never got a sell signal per my timing signal on a TSX, and I am starting to see some encouraging signs that maybe a bottom is in place. We've had some really high volume the day before yesterday, and it closed well off its lows. Yesterday was another high volume above average day, and it closed higher than the open. So I think we are starting to see some buyers stepping up to the plate in Toronto. However, for me, I've been really hedged. I've been short the U.S. markets and long the TSX, and it's been one of those things that I've been kind of trapped in this position. So it's been a little bit of a frustrating trading week for me. I did pick up a couple long positions on some stocks that I was watching yesterday, and it's been challenging to sit through the ebbs and flows of today's market, but I have done that, and so those are all nicely in profit, and I'll be looking to sell those longs when I decide to get short the U.S. indexes. And the other thing I wanted to cover was the put call. We saw a spike higher, and so this could be more fuel that makes me think that maybe we have a couple of updates to work off some of that fear. Last thing I wanted to talk about, and I'm going to include some charts in this update from the guys at All About Trends. I just kind of wanted to take this opportunity. If you're not familiar with this service, they do allow me to offer it at a 50% discount to my network, those who read my blog, those who get my free newsletter, which I think is a really great deal. This is a special page on their site, but if you click subscribe today, it's going to take you to their sales page, which shows you that this is a $30 a month service. They do give you the discount for the first 2 months, but that's why I feel good about offering this service for $15. You get daily reports. I've spoken with Harlan, who writes this report numerous times. He spends a lot of time working on this update every day, providing good stock picks, a good trading methodology. Each pick comes with a specific buy and specific sell that they send out that alert. So really, it's just a good opportunity to kind of subscribe to a service and know you're getting a great value. So we'll talk to you guys later.